Hello guys, welcome to next video of this series Python for beginners. In this playlist we are currently exploring OOPS concept, and in today's video we will be exploring new concept which is polymorphism. So without wasting any time, let's move to our destination folder and explore this concept. So this is our destination folder and I will be opening this folder in VS Code. And as you can see, the folder has already opened along with the file this time, and the video title is polymorphism and today's day 48 as you know. Then what is polymorphism? So polymorphism is made of two words. First is poly and morphism. So the geek word or meaning of this word is having multiple forms. So let's take an example. So a man who can be a father, employee, husband, brother to his relatives. Also let's take another example. So let's say a woman. A woman can be simply a mother. She can also be employee. She can also be wife, she can also be daughter. A single woman has multiple roles in her life. That's why this concept is taken from real life example. So there are main three types of polymorphism. First is method overloading. Method overloading involves creating a method in child class that has same name, parameters and return type as method in parent class. Which means that everything between them is same. The method name, the parameters, everything. So this is called method overloading. I will explain you this concept with an example in later part of this video. Then next is method overloading. Method overloading refers to the defining multiple methods with the same name but different parameters within the same class. Which means that we have multiple methods. Let's say method name is area. This has p1 parameter and p2 parameter. The other area method is area only, and then it will have one parameter, and the next method will be p1, p2 and p3. So this concept where in single class there are three methods of same name but different parameters, this concept is called as method overloading. And method overriding can be defined as, let's say, class A, it has area name p1, and class which inherits class A is also having area p1. So this concept is called as method overriding, and this concept is called as method overloading. Unfortunately, Python doesn't support this method overloading, but in other languages such as C++ and Java, method overloading is supported. Also, the next is operator overloading, which means operator overloading is a feature that allows us to define custom behavior of built-in operators. So this is basic definition. So let's explore this concept in depth by practical example. So I have kept the class name same, a simple constructor, a method name as by, and also the same method is available in this class smartphone, which is child class of class phone, as you can see. After that, I have simply created an object of class smartphone and passed here some values, and I have printed the same output that I have printed in last video. So let's run this code and see what happens. So the output must be in front of you, which is in a phone constructor, and it has printed the output, and after that it has simply that by method in smartphone class, which is this. Let me just close it or minimize it. Apple.by. So it simply goes to this class, and it has found that by method is already available in its class, so it will execute its own class instead of going above. That's why the output was by method in smartphone class. It was a very easy example. Now let's take another example which can be tricky for you. So observe the code and just give me the answer in comment section, that what will be the answer of this code. I hope you have written the answer in comment section. Now let's run the program to check the output. After that I will explain you the code. So the output is that attribute error, child object has no attribute parent __ age. So why this error has occurred? So what happened is that the object was created of class child. It simply go to the constructor which were name and age. So what happened is that only name was initialized but age was not initialized in this constructor. Also the command was not gone to the parent class so that age would be get initialized. So the age data was lost in the memory, and as it was not initialized. And after that, when we try to print get age, what happened is that it simply go to the child class, saw that there is no method name getAge, then it will simply go to the parent class. The getAge method was there, but the age variable was not initialized. So the error was there, that attribute error, child has no object age, which is this output. Child has no attribute age. That's why this error is coming. So make sure that when you declare a variable or pass the parameters in objects, then do initialize them. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, do not forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries or have not understood any part of this code, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.